Light the match, throw fire in a gas, whoosh, fire start blaze, a coal pot pan that, it get hot. Me draw for the coconut oil and me throw that in a the hot pot, nigga. Whoosh, bang, bang, chung, bang, 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 bang. Bumbo clot, dog, you chop up all of that in a one time, dog, with the dry scallion and the herbs and some other things with some salt and the scotch bonnet pepper you go throw in the oil right now, dog, make it fry up like and smell real fragrant, dog. Honey and the scallion, the garlic and the dry thyme, mix it up with some scotch bonnet to add some extra spice. Super fragrant, not even them gal. Super fragrant, not even them gal. Smells nice. Have the sardine roll in it. Them dirty gal buy KFC about barbecue fried chicken. Them no know shit about the omega-3 with the fish and the extra spicy, extra spicy, extra spicy. But ooms, make it mash out and then me make it go and simmer down in the Thailand plash out. If you never know that, just combine up everything in a one complete seasoning and me have the bowl of water. Me throw it in it. Just to give it some moisture so me can add some ramen noodle in it. It take about 3 minutes a pack to cook with it. Me never broke up the thing either. Me just throw it in the pot of water holder and bust the cap on it, seasoning. Now you know it coming like coke when me sprinkle it in and it smell fragrant. And me use me spoon and mix it in so we get extra fragrant and me make it boil up. And the noodle cook and everything start steam up. Throw it out of the pot and serve. Hey boy, you know you can't cook nothing more than the worst. You don't know sardine and some ramen noodles, you know. Simple, quick and easy with little bit of effort and some spices just to change up the thing, you know.